Hi, my name is Luis, and in this video I'll introduce you to the KROFtools brake caliper piston retracting tool. Changing brake pads and brake discs are one of the most common tasks in a workshop, so any time that you can save in this kind of operation will definitely have an impact on your daily work. When you replace with newer pads, the pistons have to be further out to compensate for the thicker pads. The KROFtools retracting tool takes care of that in a heartbeat. You won't need to use flat screwdrivers or any other levers, and this tool will save you time and protect the pistons during the whole operation. Super handy, am I right? Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our products and to learn how to make the most out of them. Thank you for watching.